KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am drawing a princess. Let's draw and color with me. First I am drawing its hair and its face. I am drawing a crown. Let's draw with me. I am drawing its frock and its arm. Now I am going to color it. Let's color with me. Orange color. I am coloring in hair.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Skin color. I am coloring in face. Sky blue color. I am coloring in frock.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Pink color. I am coloring in cheeks. Yellow color. I am coloring in crown.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling.
Red color. I am coloring in circle and heart.
Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo.
Subscribe us for more videos.